how to cover a light switch with wallpaper? That's what we're going to show you today in this video. We're actually going to show you how we covered this light switch with this pattern. What you want to do is take the switch plate off the wall and you're going to spray it with heavy-duty 3M spray glue. And we've sprayed both of the switch plates. And now previously we've gone in and we've actually cut out a piece of wallpaper from the extra roll and we've marked the area that lines up. As you can see, we're lining it up, but underneath we've put the switch plate back on the wall and it'll stay there without the screws in it yet. We've also marked little X's where the screws go through. So you can see now we're gluing on our piece of paper onto the switch plate. We rub it on really well. Then we trim it down around the edge. We cut a corner. See how we cut the corners off? Just like that. So we're trimming it again. Just cutting about 1/4 of an inch around the switch plate. And it's all glued on, so we cut the corners off, as you can see. Then we use an X-Acto knife and we cut the center of the switch plate out. See that? And we do it with both switch plates. And now we're spraying the 3M glue around the edges on the wallpaper so it sticks when we see. Then we press it around the edge just like that. That's why you cut the corners. Perfect. And this one, see how the wallpaper is stuck onto the light switch? The switch plate. Fold it over and it's glued down because we've sprayed the glue on the back of the paper around the edges. Fold it over. See how it's just like wrapping a Christmas gift. You push in the corners and then you fold over the paper. Now we're ready, see, to go put it on the wall. And here we go. Then we just put it on the wall, line it up. Oh, we had it upside down. See how the pattern lines up?
Look at that.
Stick it on there. Then we stick the other light switch plate right on there.
Look at that, lined up. Amazing.
So let me know if that was useful. Comment below. Would you cover your own light switch? It's really not that hard. So until next time, remember, go bold and make your own colorful with wallpaper.